Hello educators, and welcome to Connect Recruiting Agency. This training video will guide you through setting up ClassIn and VOOV meeting and preparing for your demo class. Before proceeding with your application, please ensure that you are available to teach at least 15 hours per week, specifically between 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. Beijing time. This is a required teaching window. You will receive a ClassIn account provided by our team. Once you log in, complete the following steps. Step 1. Update your display name to teacher plus your first name, for example, Teacher Sarah. Step 2. Upload a professional profile photo to personalize your account. Step 3. It is crucial that you do not change the account password. Step 4. Click the QR icon, save your QR code, and send it to us. This allows students to connect with you and helps us organize schedules. Inside ClassIn, you can chat, share materials, send homework, and manage notes. If a message appears in another language, simply right-click the message to translate. Open VOOV meeting and choose Start, then use PMI, your personal meeting ID. Then go to Settings, and set Turn Off Meeting Password, enable Waiting Room, and allow Join Before Host. Copy your invitation ID and personalize it for students. During class, click Share Screen and enable Share PC Audio. Remember to mute your microphone if echo occurs, and utilize the pen tool to annotate on screen. After you complete the ClassIn and VOOV setup, a monitor will contact you to schedule your demo class. They will provide the scheduled class time, along with lesson material and instructions. Once you receive these details, send your VOOV meeting link to the monitor so the student can join your session. Please join every class 10 minutes early to check your equipment and environment. If you need support, reach out to us via WhatsApp or the Connect Recruiting Agency page. Thank you for your professionalism. We look forward to seeing you succeed.